All right, 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective. Can I do 3 point perspective? Of course I can. 3 points. Let's turn my paper just to make that third point a little easier to work on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 points. How do I make the same cube using 3 point perspective? Everything goes to a dot. The up and down lines go to the top dot. The side lines go to the side where the dot lives. Let's see what we can draw. Just drawing the same cube, but following all my dots. All of the up and down lines are going to go to the top dot. All of my side to side lines are going to the side dots. I should probably connect those two. There we go. How do I make this the cube? Well, now the sides of my cube, if this is the bottom portion of the cube, you can make that top portion of the cube, whichever you like. The side parts, instead of being straight up and down like they were on our 2 point perspective, now I have that third dot. So these side parts aren't going to be straight up and down anymore. Now these are going to angle toward their own dot. To make the back half of the cube, if this is the top, then I need to identify where the bottom, the ending of the cube is. That is going to be this back half of the cube is going to be parallel with this line. So if this is where the back half of the cube is, the parallel ends that cube. Since this one met up in this point, it has to also meet up on that point on this side. So now I have the back of my cube. Now I have a cube, whoops, in 3 point perspective. Looks a little strange. Most of the time you don't look at a cube quite so close up, but maybe you do. Maybe you want to put that cube really right up to your eyeball. This will give you the lines from the front and the back and the sides. And now you can see my cube. Kind of looks like a wastebasket. 3 point perspective. Because things can look a little odd if you use a small piece of paper in 3 point perspective, a lot of times we tend to put the dots farther away. And if you watch any of the high school students work on their 3 point perspective projects, they will have little extra flaps of paper on the side so that all of their dots can be as far away from their paper as possible. Let's watch a building in time lapse.